in the exercise 1.4, that is we are going to find solution of system of the equation by Cramer's rule. Now here, this is the example 1.25 given in the page number 34 in our material is problem number 49. Now this is the system of three linear equations. Here you have to solve these things. Here the variables are x1, x2 and x3. But in the first equation, the variable x3 is missing, therefore you can write as 0x3, and here x1 is missing, therefore you can write as what, 0x1. Therefore these equations can be written in the determinant form, that you can take it as a delta. Delta is equal to coefficients determinant. The first row, the coefficients are x1 means 1, this is minus 1, there is no x3, therefore you can put 0. Similarly here 2, 3, 4. Then here x1 is missing, therefore you can put 0. Then x2 is 1x2, then here 2x3. Now this is the delta. Now this can be expanded. That we know how to expand. This is plus, minus, plus. You can expand. See here, 1 into 6 minus 4 gives 2. Then minus of minus 1 gives plus 1 into, you can multiply, 2 2s are 4, minus 0 gives 4. Then the last one is 0. You do not expand. Therefore here 2 plus 4 gives 6, delta value which is equal to 6. Now this is not equal to 0. Therefore we can proceed with finding delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. Now we can find out delta 1. Delta 1 means is a determinant obtained by replacing the first column of delta by these constants. That is, you can write 3, second one is 17, third one is 7. Next minus 1, 3, 1. Next one 0, 4, 2. Now this can be expanded again through first row. We can write this as 3 into 3 2s are 6. Minus 4 gives 2. Then minus of minus 1 gives plus 1 into 2 into 17, 34, minus 28 means 6. Then 6 plus 6 gives 12. That is a delta 1 is equal to 12. Then after that we can find a delta 2. This delta 2 is the determinant obtained by replacing the second column of delta by the constant. Therefore, write the first as it is 1 2 0 1 2 0. Second column must be replaced by these 3 3 17 7. Then third column is 0 4 2. Now this can be expanded through the first row. Yes, here is also 1 into 34 minus 28 gives 6. Then minus 3 into 2 2s are 4, minus 0 gives 4. Then this is 0, therefore you not write. Like here. Okay, now it's equal to 6 minus 12 gives minus 6. Therefore delta 2 is equal to minus 6. Then next we can find delta 3. Delta 3 is the determinant obtained by replacing the third column of the determinant by this constant. This write the first two columns as such 1 2 0 1 2 0. Then minus 1 3 1. The last one, instead of this one we can write 3 17 7. 3 17 7. See, now we can expand this determinant either any one of these three rows and these three columns, and since we have 0 here, therefore you can expand through last row. It is very easy for you. Or you can expand through first column. Okay. Now you can expand through the last column, means you can write this also plus, minus plus means 0 into anything becomes what? 0. Then minus 1 into, you leave this row and this column, this is 17 minus 6 gives 11. Then plus 7 into, leave this row, this column, 3 plus 2, 5. Now, which is equal to 7 5s are 35 minus 11 gives 24. Now, delta 3 is equal to 24. Now, after finding these things, we can use Cramer's rule to find the values of these three variables here. By Cramer's rule, we can say the variables are x1, x2 and x3. Therefore, we can say x1 is equal to delta 1 by delta. x1 equal to delta 1 by delta, which is equal to delta 1 means here 12 by 6. 12 by delta value 6. Therefore, x1 is equal to 2, you can say. Now, after that we can find y value, that is x2. x2 is equal to delta 2 by delta. Here delta 2 value is minus 6. Minus 6 by delta value is 6. Therefore, you can say x2 equal to minus 1. Then after that, we can go for finding x3. x3 equal to nothing but delta 3 by delta. That is delta 3 is nothing but 24. 24 by delta is 6. Therefore, x3 is equal to 4, you can say. Therefore, the solution is x1 is equal to 2, comma, x2 is equal to minus 1, comma, x3 equal to 4. Likewise, we can find the solution. Now, let us see the next problem. Now, likewise, we can do this problem. First problem, third solution given in the page number 35, and in our material again it is problem number 15. Now, this is for your homework. This also a system of linear equation in 3 variables. The variables are x, y and z. Now, let us do the fourth solution now. The fourth solution given in the page number 35 of exercise 1.4 and in the material the same problem number 15. Now, the given equations are 3 by x, then minus 4 by y, minus 2 by z, minus 1 equal to 0. The next one, 1 by x plus 2 by y plus 1 by z minus 2 equal to 0. The next one is 2 by x minus 5 by y. The third one is minus 4 by z plus 1 equal to 0. Now, here also the variables x, y, z are in the denominator. Hence, we can replace by assigning some other new variables. For that, we can assume let 1 by x equal to a, then 1 by y is equal to b, then 1 by z is equal to c. Now, these three equations can be written as, that is a 3 into 1 by x means what is 3a, then minus 4b, then minus 2c. You can take this minus on right hand side, it becomes a plus 1. The second equation a, then plus 2b, then plus c, which is equal to 2. The third equation is 2a, then minus 5b minus 4c equal to minus 1. Now, these are the new equations we obtained. Now, here we can find the delta. Delta is equal to coefficients determinant. Here the variables are a, b, c. Now, you can detach them. You can write 3 minus 4 minus 2. Then 1, 2, 1. Then 2 minus 5 minus 4. Now, we can expand it through the first row. That is again plus minus plus condition. You can write 3 into, leave this or this column, minus 8 plus 5, then minus 3. Then minus of minus 4 gives plus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 gives minus 6. Then minus 2 into minus 5 minus 4 gives minus 9. Now after that we can multiply. This is minus 9. This is minus 24. This is plus 18. Now here it is equal to delta is equal to, see here, this is minus 24 plus 3 gives minus 6, minus 16, minus 9 gives minus 15, which is not equal to 0. Here this delta equal to minus 15, which is not equal to 0. Hence we can proceed with delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. Here the delta 1 is the determinant obtained by replacing the first column of delta by the constant, that is 1, 2, minus 1. First column, so it is 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1. Second column, minus 4, 2, minus 5. Minus 4, 2, minus 5. Third column is minus 2, 1, minus 4. Minus 2, 1, minus 4. Third column. This can be expanded. Now which is equal to 1 into minus 8 plus 5 gives minus 3. Then minus of minus 4 gives plus 4 into minus 8 plus 1 minus 7. Then minus 2 into minus 10. Minus 10 plus 2 gives minus 8. Now which is equal to minus 3 minus 4 sevens are 28. Then plus 2 8s are 16. Then here minus 28 plus 16 minus 12 minus 3 gives minus 15. Delta 1 is equal to minus 15. Likewise you can find delta 2. Delta 2 is the determinant obtained by replacing the second column of delta. First you can write 3, 1, 2, first column 3, 1, 2. Then the second column needs to be replaced by this constants 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1. Third column you can write as such minus 2, 1, minus 4. Now this can be expanded to first row 3 into minus 8 plus 1. Then you can write minus 7. Then minus 1 into minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Then minus 2 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Now which is equal to, this is minus 21, this is plus 6 and this is plus 10. Then 16, this is minus 21 means minus 5. You can write delta 2 is equal to minus 5. Now we can find delta 3. Delta 3 is equal to, is the determinant obtained by replacing the third column of the delta. Third column of the delta. See, first column 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. Second column minus 4, 2, minus 5. Minus 4, 2, minus 5. The third column is to replace by the constant 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1. Now which is equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 10. You can write 8. Then minus of minus 4 gives plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 gives minus 5. Then plus 1 into minus 5 minus 4 gives minus 9. Now which is equal to 3 8s are 24. Then minus 20. Then this is minus 9. Which is equal to minus 29 plus 24 gives minus 5. This is delta 3. Now after finding these three values by Cramer's rule, or Cramer's method, you can get here the variables are A, B, C now. Therefore, you can write A, is equal to delta 1 by delta. Then B is equal to delta 2 by delta. And C equal to delta 3 by delta. Now delta 1 is nothing but minus 15 by the delta value is also minus 15. Therefore, you can get A is equal to 1. A equal to 1. Next, you can find a B value. B value equal to delta 2. Delta 2 is nothing but minus 5 by this is minus 15. Therefore, B equal to 1 by 3. We can say B equal to 1 by 3. Now, we can go for finding C value, which is equal to delta 3. That is also minus 5 by minus 15. Therefore, C equal to 1 by 3. We found the values of A, B and C. But here this X and A are reciprocal of each other. Similarly, to find the values of X, Y, Z, we have to take reciprocals of A, B, C. Therefore, we can say X is equal to reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of B is Y. That is Y is equal to 3. Then Z is equal to reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. Now likewise we can find the solution, which is the required solution. Likewise we can find a solution for these type of problems. Okay, now next we will see the next class.